Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray Johnson, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can verify WhatsApp with a Textme US number. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the app. Okay, so it's now coming up. And by the way, guys, this is the second step of multiple steps. So I am gonna go ahead to the end. Okay, so I'm gonna click on where it says create an account. And I am going to go over to WhatsApp. Okay. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to clear the storage. Okay. Okay. So now I should be able to start a new account. And I'm going to choose United States. And now I'm going to go back over to the Textme app. Now guys, what I'm going to do is try to find the origin of these numbers I can actually use, because some of these numbers are actually banned. So I'm going to have to use this WhatsApp procedure to actually test the number. So, okay guys, so we're gonna have to confirm with WhatsApp which of these numbers is okay to use, because some of these numbers are actually banned by WhatsApp. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna write down one of these numbers. So I'm gonna write down this one, and then I'm gonna confirm it with WhatsApp to see whether or not it is a number that can be used. So what I'm gonna do now is go over to WhatsApp and type in this number to check it. Okay, and the number is 41996490338. Let me see. Okay, so once it gives you this option, it means the number is okay. So I'm going to go ahead and continue the sign up process. Okay, we can confirm this number, allow. Now I'm going to get an email to actually use. Okay, so it's coming up. So I'm going to change this email. Okay, new email. Go back over here and paste the email. Create a random password and choose age range from 21 to 34. I'm going to choose a gender, male. Click on register. Okay. Okay, so I've got to do the human verification. Okay, so that has now completed, and the Textme app is coming up, which means we have created the account and gotten the US number. So as you can see, guys, this is the account, and I'm going to go back, and I am going to go to WhatsApp to I'm going to go back to WhatsApp to sign up for the number on WhatsApp. Okay, let's go back over to WhatsApp. And click on OK. Click on Next. Okay, I'm gonna retype the number. Okay, so it's coming up. So also guys, what we need to do is turn off airplane mode, and we're gonna allow some permissions. So we're gonna allow some permissions. So I'm gonna go back to the app. I'm gonna press down on the app. I'm gonna go to the settings of the app and go to permissions. So as you can see, only contacts have been allowed. So I'm gonna allow all the other permissions. Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna go back over to WhatsApp, and I'm gonna do a call me. And as you can see guys, I'm getting a call to get the verification number. I'm gonna accept the call. Let me go back over to the app. So I'm not hearing the number. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna have to do is do another call as soon as call me options times out, and I'm gonna have to miss that call so I can actually get a voice mail and take the number from there. Okay. Okay guys, so now I can make another call. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the call and then ensure that I do not answer the call. Okay, so the call has stopped, and I'm gonna go back over to the app and wait for the voice message. Try to refresh. Okay, so the missed call has showed up. Now waiting for the voice message. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the voice message. So I am gonna go ahead and play the voice message. Go back over to WhatsApp.
80. Your verification code is 594880. Your verification code is 594880.
So as you can see, guys, I have just completed the verification of WhatsApp, and you can do the same if you follow these steps. So yes, guys, this is how you actually verify WhatsApp with a free US number. So guys, if you like the content that you just saw, you should go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. In that way, as soon as I drop another video to show you how you can get even more US number to verify even more things like Gmail. So thank you for watching, guys. You take care. Bye bye.